All right, function notation. Functions that can be written as equations can be written in the function notation format, where the variable y in the term f of x represents the dependent variable. So x is independent. The term f of x is read f at x, or f of x. Here's an equation. Y equals 5x minus 2 means the same as f of x equals 5x minus 2. All right. Example, if f of x equals 3x plus 4, find the function value of f of negative 2. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in negative 2 for x. And so in our equation here, we have 3x plus 4. So where there's an x, we're going to replace it with negative 2. And so that's what they did. So this, whatever this connected is negative, or excuse me, times. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. All right, example 2, driving. Janie drove 210 miles at 42 miles per hour. Use function notation to write an equation that gives the total mileage as a function of the number of hours driven. Then use the equation to determine the number of hours Janie drove. First, write the equation. All right, words. Miles, distance equals rate times time. All right, so distance, miles driven, equals miles per hour, which is our rate, times the number of hours. Okay, so M of H means miles within an hour here, miles driven in H. It's number of hours. Okay, so we know our rate is 42, and our hours we're using is H. So M of H is 42H. Okay. Next, use equations to find how many hours she drove. All right, so she drove 210 miles. So this is our distance, our miles in versus our hours. So to solve this, we're going to divide by 42. All right, and 42 divided by 210 looks like we got 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1, 21. All right, so Jeannie drove for 5 hours.